Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy, the series of short videos where we dive into some of the more technical aspects of the things we carry here at OG. Today we're talking Prevost couplers. So what makes Prevost couplers so special and why are they the couplers we landed on here at Obsessed Garage? Well, beyond the general build quality and the ease of use, there is no coupler. So if you're familiar with a standard air coupler, you'll know that there is a collar that you have to pull back. These do not have that, so you can basically push your tool into it, and then when you want to release it, you can push the button and it will softly eject the tool. Normal couplers, when you pull that collar back, it'll actually shoot the tool out, so if you're not ready to catch it, it can go flying across the garage. In addition to the soft release button, they also come in the 360 swiveling configuration. So if you see these right here, they actually have two swivels, one here at the top and then one right here at the bottom, meaning if you put this on the end of your hose, you have full articulation. All right, now that we know what Prevost couplers are and why we use them, let's jump into how to install them onto a standard air hose. Right here I have a green Stowflex hose, also provided by Prevost, with a standard 3/8 inch NPT thread on the end. And we also have a female industrial Prevost coupler with female NPT 3/8 inch threads. If you have any questions or need to know a little bit more about fittings in general, I would recommend checking out our Fittings 101 video. So to install our coupler onto the end of our high pressure hose, we're just going to start screwing it on by hand. And we will actually grab our wrench. This one uses a 20mm wrench, but it may differ depending on your hose and your coupler. And we will finish torquing this down using the double wrench method, just to get it nice and snug. These don't have to be insanely tight, but we want to get them pretty well screwed on there. The coupler we just installed on the hose is an industrial style coupler. I know that because it's blue. If it was green or another color, I would know it is a different style of plug. Blue being industrial, green being Euro high flow. So basically what that means is any tool we want to plug in here will need to have an industrial style plug. Likewise, any tool we'd like to plug into the green coupler would have to be a Euro high flow style plug. And I will show you how to install an industrial plug into a tool right now. So right here I have our industrial style plug and our little Prevost air gun. And all we're going to do to install this plug into this gun is apply a little bit of PTFE sealant onto the threads. And just a small amount will work. And then we'll take this and screw it into our air nozzle. And then we'll finish torquing this down with 2 wrenches. So just like we did the hose, we're going to use the double wrench method and get this torqued on there. Same principles apply. We don't need it too crazy tight, just snug so it won't come off. And it makes an airtight seal. Now that we have our air gun all set, we can plug it in and see if it works. And we know it works. I can't hear any leaks, so we can eject the coupler using the easy release button. And you'll notice that the coupler stays in there and it only comes out when I'm ready for it. Hopefully you learned something from this video, and as always, everything you saw in this video is available on our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let us know down below in the comments or email us directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.